Ever wish you could just find that lost item instantly? Say hello to the Apple AirTag 4-pack, the ultimate solution for keeping track of your most valuable possessions. Forget frantic searches. This tiny device brings incredible peace of mind by making your lost items easily discoverable. What makes it stand out? First, precision finding with ultra-wideband technology literally guides you to your AirTag's exact location, showing you the distance and direction on your iPhone. It's like having a personal radar for your keys, wallet, or even your pet. No more guessing games. Setting it up is ridiculously simple. Just one tap setup with your iPhone instantly pairs your AirTag, integrating seamlessly into your Apple ecosystem. Plus, with its IP67 water and dust resistance, you don't have to worry about accidental spills or a sudden downpour ruining your tracker. This durability, combined with Apple's secure Find My network, truly makes the AirTag a game-changer compared to other Bluetooth trackers on the market. Whether you're looking for the best electronics purchase of 2025 or just a reliable way to secure your belongings, the AirTag delivers. Ready to stop losing your stuff? You can grab your own Apple AirTag 4-pack by clicking the Amazon link in the description below. Don't wait. This is an essential, must-have device for anyone looking to simplify their life and protect their valuables.